in the middle of flu season, which means it's time to get our annual flu virus vaccine. Influenza, or the flu, is one of many illnesses caused by a virus, a microscopic agent made of protein and DNA that hijacks cells to proliferate. At best, they are a nuisance, and at worst, they can cause life-altering pandemics. However, these bundles of protein and DNA may possibly hold a key to fighting cancer. Oncolytic virus therapy involves stimulating our immune system to fight cancer and is a branch of immunotherapy. Our immune system is specifically designed to fight and destroy foreign and cancerous cells. However, during cancer, the immune system is often weakened and cannot detect cancer cells. Immunotherapy helps kick the immune system back into action. One way to do so is by introducing an oncolytic virus into the body. But not just any old virus will do. Viruses must be genetically modified to not cause an infection and act therapeutically. These modifications are usually done through gene editing technologies like homologous recombination or CRISPR. And the oncolytic virus TVEC, a modified herpes simplex virus, both copies of the gene ICP34.5 are deleted to allow the virus to replicate only in cancerous cells. Additionally, 2 copies of the human GM-CSF gene are inserted to help accumulate dendritic immune cells around the virus, so that these immune cells can target nearby cancer cells. These are just 2 of many different genetic modifications made to transform the cold sore-causing herpes virus into an oncolytic virus. Once in the body, oncolytic viruses have 2 tasks: lyse cancer cells and promote an immune response. Oncolytic viruses can kill cancer cells by binding to the cell's surface receptors, fusing inside and destroying it from within. When the virus successfully destroys the cancer cell, antigens are released to signal the cancer's presence. They are recognized by macrophages, which are large white blood immune cells that phagocytize or consume cancer cells and release more cytokines, which are signaling molecules. These cytokines then activate natural killer cells, which puncture the cancer cell and kill them. At the same time, the cytokines also bring in helper T cells. Normally, tumors make themselves imperceivable to T cells and other lymphocytes, so the released cytokines essentially unveil the tumor cell. The T helper cells bring in cytotoxic T cells. These are specialized adaptive immune cells that destroy the cancer cell and are able to track down cells that have moved beyond the original tumor, helping eliminate cancer cells across the entire body. Ever since detecting oncolytic viruses in the 1800s, scientists have been trying to engineer viruses to fight all sorts of cancers. TVEC, which I mentioned before, is the first oncolytic virus that has been approved by the FDA and is used to treat advanced melanoma. Oncolytic virus therapy is still very new and is being perfected and understood by scientists. There are so many different viruses and different genes. Through exploration and experimentation, scientists can develop effective, specific cancer therapies. In the meantime, stay safe from well-known infectious viruses, wash your hands, wear a mask, and get your flu vaccine.